This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Here's the rental property you've been looking for on South Merritt Island. Newer kitchen appliances including dishwasher and refrigerator with ice maker. Huge laundry room with washer and dryer, provided but not warranted. Split plan with tile and laminate throughout. Newer windows throughout for energy savings and hurricane safety. Newer HVAC. Large fenced yard with screened patio and shed. Extra concrete slab on side of carport for boat/RV. Yard care is included in rent. Owner will considerone dog, preferably small, no danger breeds, but no cats, no exceptions. No smoking or vaping, not even outside. Call Barry Taylor for more information and a showing today 321-795-7074 for more information.